This is absolutely wild. Those who follow this channel know that I love Miro, the whiteboarding tool that I use since 2018. So you can imagine how much I used Miro already for problem solving with our inner circle members, for the coaching and so on. And now finally, Miro has an official MCP server. For those of you who don't know what MCP means, it is essentially just a way that lets your AI tool, whatever you use, like Claude, connect directly to the tool and look things up, but also create things. And I gave it a go. The amazing thing is this becomes really useful for the non-nerdy, non-tech savvy professionals too. All you need to do, I prefer to use Claude as my main AI platform to hook it up. Look what happens. We have myICOR, and I always wanted to have a proper overview of all the things that we provide in ICOR, but from a IT perspective, the infrastructure, the architecture, and so on. So I already had nodes and all these things in my database and my note-taking apps, and in the database is written down. But I thought, okay, this is the moment where I will just ask AI, make a deep analysis of our code base and create an overview inside Miro of all the details of our myICOR application. And this is the output. Isn't this insane? And it makes sense if you zoom in, all right? So we see here, it comes up with the architecture. It shows the tool stack, the way we handle all the things. And we have here the front-end apps, all the different. And you see there's a lot going on in myICOR. We have core applications, we have learning apps, premium apps, and this is all that we deliver. But obviously this is just a text document that would be easy to create. What's really interesting is now the diagrams. And they, well, in my opinion, even look beautiful. Here we have the schema, how everything is interconnected, the different databases, how they leverage each other's database. Then we have here the overview of backend. That's the authentication system, okay? All the things that are connected via syncing, via APIs, how it's handled and what ends up in the user's browser. Or here, our AI setup and the vector databases and embeddings. And here, everything beautifully visualized. And the thing is, this was one single prompt and I didn't change anything here. And this is to me mind-blowing. Maybe there might be some things that are not there, but as a starting point, you know, something like this. Well, I just move it over here. Boom, I made it look good, but the starting point is just mind-blowing because this was done in minutes. Imagine that you do this yourself, creating this inside Miro, all these diagrams, going into all the aspects. And now you have a starting point or a checklist that you can go through to really confirm that these things are correct. But to me, this is the moment where deep thinking really happens with AI. And we had already AI inside Miro, but this is the issue with all the AIs that are integrated in tools. They lack the full context. Now we have the full context. All the other tools that are connected to my AI, it can combine the context and can lay this out visually. I just wanted to share with you that there's the MCP now available. Go and check it out. If you want to have a follow-up video where I dive deeper into this, let me know. And be sure to check out the Miro Mastery course inside myICOR, where I not only describe step-by-step how you use Miro in all the details, but where we also share how to set this up and hook this up with your AI. And I catch you up in the next one.